Google Merchant Center tutorial. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through setting up Google Merchant Center. This tool is essential if you want to list your products on Google Shopping and drive more traffic to your e-commerce site. So let's get started. First, go to merchants.google.com and click Get Started. Sign in with your Google account and enter your business information like your website URL, business name and country. Make sure all details are accurate before moving on. Once your account is set up, you need to verify your website. So to do this, select business information from the sidebar and click on website. Google provides several options like using Google Tag Manager or adding a meta tag to your site's code. Once you've added the tag or file, click verify and claim website. Now, let's upload your product. In the left-hand menu, go to products, then feeds and click add feed. Select your country and language, then choose the method to upload your products like Google Sheets or XML files. Fill in your product details including images, prices and descriptions. And once done, Google will review and approve your listings. And that's it, you've successfully set up your Google Merchant Center account and listed your products. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. See you in the next video.